guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Franklin Hassey. As usual, I said I take you a tip or I tip you a tech. Welcome to the tech tip, guys. Alright, so what most people don't know is that you can have a computer in a computer. Yes. Or let's say you can have another version of computer on your computer, which we call Sandbox. And Sandbox on Windows 11 or on Windows is just like having a computer on a computer, I said earlier. And there are certain ways we can be able to get access to them. And in this particular video, we are going to talk about how we can access Sandbox or access another computer on another computer, or in a way I can say you are accessing a VPN or something. Let's get to it and see how it is. Hold Windows key and R and type in optional features. Optional features in the box that appears and press OK. Now, in the window that appears, you have to scroll down a bit down and look for virtual machine platform and check the box. After checking the box, you move to another one called Windows Sandbox and also check the box at that side too. And then you click OK. After that, you just restart your PC for it to take effect. So just restart your PC and come back. Now, after having access to that, you go to your search button and then type in Sandbox to launch the computer on the computer, like just in the screen. After the loading, you'll be able to have other screen or other windows on your main computer. So here is it. You have access to another computer on your computer. You have every feature, you have access to everything. It's just that there are certain things that you can't have access to, like the previous app you have already installed on your PC. So to do that, you can open any software you want to, either the Edge browser or the Team or anything. Every feature is still the same. Your internet is still connected. So in this particular video, I've opened the Edge, trying to Google search something, which is Franklin Hassey as my name. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube video as well. Yep, and then you can have access to everything you want. So just watch the remaining part of the video for my demonstration on how to use. You can also view it in the full scale or in the minimized scale version of it. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. So that is it about the demo on how to use your Windows on another Windows, or how to use the Sandbox Windows. Alright, so now let's talk about how you can be able to shut this one down. You can shut it down in the normal way. You can also shut it down like a normal app on your PC. But the best way to do is to go to your Windows or Control Alt F4, sorry, and then shut down the PC. And in this video, I've done it in the other way of just closing it as if it's a normal software that I've installed on my PC. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe as well and share this video with other friends. Catch you in the next one. Bye.